exposing the wild sparkle in everyday skies, exposing the bright rebel of the gum trees, exposing the Galah, Australia's flying pink poem, a flash of rose and slate against golden light. The Galah spreads wide, slow-motion feathers catching the sun. It launches, graceful and playful, carving arcs across a warm Australian landscape. Perched on eucalyptus, it preens, curious and clever, whispering to the leaves and listening to the wind. Around it, wildflowers bloom, gum trunks stand tall, meadows breathe green life woven together. Nature's beauty thrives when we care for it. Protect our plants. Protect our wildlife. The Galah, a symbol of Australia's living colour. And as it slips into the sunset, we're left brighter, gentler, and ready to protect this fragile, living art.